Hello, citizens of the Lashgod Instagram. If you're watching this, I love you, girl. I am here with another car chronicles. I did it last week and everybody seemed to love it, so we're back, boo. And today I'm going to be talking about two unique services that Lashgod offers that I feel like a lot of people don't know about and will make your business life a lot easier. So one of them is our private label program. So I always have girls contacting me, how do I start my own lash brand, XYZ? And you know, I feel like a lot of people get discouraged when you do foreign communication and you're sampling. You're just like, oh, it's just too much work. I'm not going to make my own lash brand. So we created the Lashgod private label program, and essentially what it is we do your media design. You utilize the Lashgod lashes, so the PBT fibers that everybody loves, the OG jet black cashmeres, whichever, and you put your own label on it. It's completely anonymous, and we do it for the same price that you would get if you were purchasing from overseas. So you save the shipping fees and all of those costs, and it ends up being right in and around the same price. I always recommend people, you know, shop around, talk to foreign manufacturers to see that you are in fact getting the best price. So private label is one, and then distribution is two. So a lot of people are trying to bring more attention to their salon, to their business, and we partner up with strategic distributors who sell Lashgod products, and there's a really big margin on them, so it does bring a lot of profit to the business, and you also get put on our Lashgod website spotted map. In the distribution program, we're always looking for strategic partners that kind of fit the vibe, fit the energy, are looking to expand their business. So if you love Lashgod products and you want to sell them in your salon, we do this globally. Lashgod distribution program has been so successful because bottom line, it helps your business grow. It's taking clients that already purchase on Lashgod, typically online. Everyone in your neighboring area will then shop with you. So it does really help expedite the success of your business, salon traffic, bookings, etc. So if this sounds like something that would work well with your business, you can send us a little message. We would love to get you involved. For more info on either of the two programs mentioned, please drop a comment below and we will reach out to you. And I'm also going to link Elena's information, who will be able to direct you for how to get started with private label and distribution. So snaps for private label and distribution. I mean, come on. Anyways, I love you guys. I hope you're all having an incredible Monday. High energy. Ask yourself, what is the play of the day today? What's going on? How are we going to elevate our business? How are we going to be the best version of ourselves? Be well-rounded. Do your makeup. Do your hair. Wow your clients. Just make life amazing today. I had a sad day 2 days ago, and I'm back, baby. And I'm ready to just sprinkle that fairy dust, you know? There's a bit. Stop being goofy. Here we go. Okay. Anyways, love y'all so much. Have an amazing day, and I will chat with you guys soon.